This week, we're talking about germs and how to stay healthy. Our bodies are pretty amazing things. They work day after day, digesting food, breathing, pumping blood and oxygen all around. We are really lucky to have them. But there's a tiny group of invaders that can get inside our bodies and make us sick. These invaders are called germs. Germs are tiny organisms, or living things, that can get inside and cause disease. They're so small that they can creep into our bodies without us even knowing. In fact, to see a germ, you need something called a microscope, which makes things bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, so that you can see itty bitty teeny tiny things. We don't know that germs get into our body until we have something called symptoms. Symptoms are signals that our body sends on the outside that something is going wrong on the inside. Some symptoms include coughing or sneezing, sniffling, having a fever. This tells us that there is a germ that has gotten inside our body, and the signals or symptoms are a product of that. There are two kinds of germs that we talk a lot about: bacteria and viruses. Once one of these germs invades our body, like a bacteria or a virus, they start to gobble up all of our nutrients and energy, and your body starts to show symptoms or signs that something is wrong. Germs can be spread either to other people or onto other things through sneezes, coughs, breathing, saliva, sweat, and blood too. Sometimes germs can even get passed from friend to friend to friend by sharing things that have germs on them already. To fight off these germs, we're doing some big things right now. Do you know what germs are afraid of? Soap and water! Washing your hands correctly and well is one of the best ways to fight off these tiny germ beasts. Some of the times you should wash your hands include after you sneeze, before you eat, and definitely after you use the bathroom. The CDC, or Centers for Disease Control, gives us 5 steps to washing our hands. You can follow these 5 steps and be healthy hand-washing heroes. 1. Get your hands wet under the water. 2. Use soap. 3. Scrub your hands so that bubbles appear. We want to lather up. Get the fronts of your hands, the backs, between your fingers, and the tippy tops. Rinse the soap off of your hands so the germs leave along with it. Dry your hands off when you're done. Make sure that you are being a hand-washing hero that keeps yourself and others safe. We also use hand sanitizer to help shrink or reduce the number of germs on our hands. This is a good substitute when we can't wash our hands in the sink. When you use hand sanitizer, squirt some into your palm. Rub the fronts of your hands, the backs of your hands, between your fingers and the tippy tops, just like in the sink. Rub until your hands feel dry. Don't stop early. Masks have become a way that we are fighting germs right now. We're wearing masks to keep others safe from our germs and to keep germs from getting to us. Masks show kindness and care for your community and the people around you. This helps keep ourselves and our friends safe together. You'll see people out wearing masks that cover up parts of their face. They're doing this to keep the people around them safe and healthy. Thanks for being here this week. Remember, keep those germs away and be a hand-washing hero.